Welcome back, everyone. You may have just gotten your iPhone 12, or you may have even just bought a pair of AirPods, and for some reason your AirPods keep disconnecting from your iPhone 12. And I'll go ahead and explain to you a couple of different ways to actually go about fixing that. And sometimes when you go ahead and connect your AirPods the very first time to your brand new iPhone, you may actually see that for some reason it keeps disconnecting. And I think the main reason why this happens is sometimes when you have a brand new device and you have your older device next to it, sometimes the AirPods may actually go and try to connect to your older device. So the best thing to do is power off your older device. As you can see, it looks not your AirPods. You want to go ahead and disconnect your AirPods from your older device and reconnect them to your main one. And then it'll kind of stop that, sometimes it's connecting here, sometimes connecting there, and it'll pretty much fix it there. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work, the next thing you can do is actually put your AirPods back in their case and then go onto your iPhone 12. You want to go ahead and go under Bluetooth settings, which is right here, and you'll see a bunch of different things that you probably have connected to throughout the years, but you want to go onto your AirPods and you want to put it into pairing mode. So you'll see right here a little button on the back right here, and all you want to do is just hold that down until the very front of your AirPods start having this blinking white light. Now these are my older AirPods, so as you can see they're not the ones, but you can go and open them here. And right there, you can go ahead and reconnect your AirPods to your actual phone. And then you just want to go ahead and click connect now. In this case, I'm not going to connect them. And then you would go ahead and reconnect them. And most probably this will end up fixing that issue. And from here, you can just use them as your standard AirPods and pretty much go on from there. Now, if they are connected, but they keep disconnecting when they're actually in your ear, the main problem that I've seen with this time and time again is pretty much your AirPods will actually just not be fully charged. Now, what this means is that your AirPods case may be charged. So if you actually put them next to each other and you open it, typically you can see the battery percentage and everything. And you may actually be able to see that your AirPods for some reason are fully charged, your cases, but your AirPods themselves are not charged. So in this case, what I would recommend doing is charging up your AirPods, make sure your case is plugged in and everything, and then just kind of let your AirPods sit there and charge up while they're in their case. I've seen this time and time again, and this is exactly what happens. The case is fine. The batteries are, nothing's broken. It's just you need to let your AirPods, themselves actually charge up a little bit. So that's pretty much what I would recommend doing, and that's what I've seen time and time again. That's exactly what I would do if you're having issues specifically with your AirPods not connecting to your iPhone. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.